Are you ready to transform your home into a dreamy sanctuary? Step into the world of vintage farmhouse decor, where timeless charm meets modern inspiration. In this video, we'll take you through 100 stunning decor ideas to bring warmth, character, and style to your space. Let's start at the very beginning. Your entree. A rustic bench, antique coat hooks, and a woven basket can set the tone for your farmhouse theme. The heart of the home, the living room, combine distressed wooden coffee tables, soft linen sofas, and vintage throw pillows for that classic farmhouse look. Who doesn't love a farmhouse kitchen? From open shelving with vintage dishware to rustic wooden countertops, the possibilities are endless. Even your bathroom can shine with farmhouse elegance. Install a clawfoot tub, use vintage vanity mirrors, and add rustic baskets for storage. Whether it's a single corner or your entire home, these 100 vintage farmhouse decor ideas are sure to inspire your next makeover. Love these ideas? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiration. Let us know your favorite idea in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.